Hi, we're here at the Ultrafast Photonics Laboratory at the University of Toronto, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to clean the connectors on the Virtual Reference or DWDM Analyzer. So, as you can see on the front panel of the Virtual Reference Analyzer, you'll see that there's two sets of connectors, and today what we're going to do is demonstrate how to clean those connectors. So let's take a quick look right at the connector. So as you can see, we have the laser in connector and the device under test, or the DUT connector. Now what we're going to do is we're going to remove the connectors with that don't have the green mark on them. They're the two connectors that are diagonal from each other that are not green. And that's what we're going to do in the next step. In this step, we're going to remove the connectors, or the screws from the connectors, and we're going to clean the facets of the FC APC fibers that are on the inside of the light at that connector. So once we're done cleaning the connector, we're going to reattach the coupler here. And with the screws, we're going to put them back now, very carefully. Okay, fix the first screw, and now the second screw. So again, to remind you, the screws that we're removing, the ones that attach to the front panel, are the ones that are not green. The green ones are for keeping the connector, the coupler actually together. So that's the demonstration of how to clean the connector. It's fairly easy to do. And if you have any questions, as always, please don't hesitate to email us. You can always email sales@indimetrics.com. And thanks for watching.